Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathore, Assistant Professor, Department of Kamal Bhratya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So students, today's topic is Sroto Vikar. So first Srotas is Pranvay Srotas and Pranvay Srotas Vikar. First disease is Pratishay. According to Ayurveda, what is Pratishay? So let's get started. Pratishay, according to Ashtang Hridaya, Acharya Vagbhat describe this disease nidan is that first is Avashyaya Anil Rajo Bhashya Ati Swapna Jagre Nicha Atya Up Dhanin Pitanya Varinam Atya Ambupanam Ramanamascha Chardi Vashpagraha Adibhi क्रुद्धा वातुल्लवा दोषा नासायाम स्तन्यागताम गता जनयंती प्रतिशाय वर्धमानम क्षयप्रदम. अष्टांग हृदय उत्तर तंत्र 19 अध्याय. This shlokas means exposures of fog, wind and dust, too much of speaking, sleeping and being awake, keeping the pillow either very low or very high under the head, indulging more different place of water, drinking more quantity of water, suppression of vomiting, tears, etc. By these and other similar causes, the doshas dominated by Vat and become accumulated in Nasa and produce Pratishay. So, dosha that dominating is Vat become accumulated in the Nasa and produce Pratishay. So Pratishay when advanced lead to Shay. Now Chikitsa according to Ashtang Hridaya, Nivatam Kar Sevan, Nivatam Agar Sevan, Lagu Amla Lavan Snigdha Bhojan, mainly Vyoshadi Guttika. It is very important. According to Ashtang Hridaya, Acharya Vagbhat said Vyoshadi Guttika, that's the ingredients of Vyosh, Talish, Chavak, Amlavetas एवं एला पत्र, पीनस श्वास कासगनम, रुचि स्वर करम परम. It is the mainly in some diseases Vyoshadi Guttika is important and very beneficial. And next is Bal Chaturbhadra Churn. So Pratishay management according to Ashtang Hridaya, Vyoshadi Guttika and Bal Chaturbhadra Churn is important. Now next is common cold. Common cold is first is definition. So the common cold is a viral illness in which the symptom of running nose, nasal obstruction are prominent. Systemic symptoms such as myalgia, fevers are absent or mild. So common cold symptom is very common, running nose and nasal obstruction. And then systematically myalgia and fever. Sometimes mild or absent. So etiology is most common pathogens are rhinovirus, but can be caused by many different viruses like adenovirus and influenza. So the clinical features is frequently sore throat followed by nasal obstruction and running nose. That's I told you above slides. And conjunctival congestion and sore throat usually resolving quickly by 2 to 3 days of illness. Nasal symptoms are prominent. So cough is associated with 30% of cold. So what is the management? Common cold is caused by virus and self-limiting, requires no specific treatment. For fever, paracetamol can be given 4 to 6 hourly. For nasal blockage, normal saline can be instilled in nostril every 4 to 6 hours. So that's all about the common cold. That is for Pratishay modern view. And next is Kasa. Kas according to Ashtang Hridaya, Nidan Sthan, Adhyay 3rd, Tatra Adho Vihito Anila, Urdhva Pravarta, Prapyor Sti Tasmin, Kanthe Cha Sansanjana, शिरा स्रोतांसी संपूर्य ततो अंगान्य उत्क्षिपनीव क्षिपणी वा क्षिपणी पृष्ठम उरः पानम च पीड्येत प्रवर्तते स वक्त्रेण भिन्न कास्य उपध्वनि. Means Vata obstructed in its downward movement begins to move upwards, comes to the chest, inwards in throat, and then filling in srotas of murcha and make the upward movement of the body. The eye, back and chest, and come out from the mouth with producing noise same as the sound of broken bell metal. So this is the cause and this is the symptoms. And now chikitsa of CAS is that Padmak Trifla Trikatu, Vidang, Devdaru, Bala, Rasna, Chun with Madhu and Grita, and Haridki, Shunthi, Musta and Gud. Talisadi Chun like Bhaishajya Ratnavali and Bal Chaturbhuddha Chun from Yog Ratnakar is very useful to CAS. So Bal Chaturbhadra and Talisadi Chun, it's very important. And Haridki, Shunthi, Musta and Guda decoction is very important and very useful for CAS. And now cough. According to modern, cough is a reflex response of lower respiratory tract to stimulate or irritant or cough receptors in the airway mucosa. So the most common cause in children in reactive airway. So types of recurrent cough, persistent cough. Recurrent cough is bronchial reactivity like allergic asthma, frequent recurrent RTI in immunodeficient patient. Persistent cough is bronchitis, bronchial asthma, foreign body aspiration, pertussis, upper respiratory tract infection, and tuberculosis. So this is the main diseases that's cough is as a symptom. So bronchitis, bronchial asthma, foreign body aspiration, pertussis, upper respiratory tract, and tuberculosis having the symptom of cough. So management is that antibiotics and bronchodilator. And now next disease is respiratory distress syndrome. So the definition is any infant or child who is having difficulty in breathing, characterized by excessive work of the muscle of respiration, is said to be respiratory distress. So etiology is extrathoracic and intrathoracic. So extrathoracic is any pathogen that causes obstruction in upper airway, and intrathoracic is intrapulmonary like bronchial asthma and foreign body, and extrapulmonary is diaphragmatic hernia. So that all the reason of that is the etiology of respiratory distress syndrome. So next is parenchymal lung disease. So parenchymal lung disease is pneumonia and pleural effusion, and non-parenchymal diseases CCF and birth asphyxia. Now clinical feature is rapid respiration in newborn more than 60 per minute, or in children more than 40 per minute. Inspiration reaction, wheezing, grunting, flaring of Erlinesi, and cyanosis. And the managements depend upon the etiological condition, causes, respiratory distress, mechanical ventilations, surfactant administration, and use of steroids. And now Tamak Shwas. Tamak Shwas is according to Ayurveda and modern is bronchial asthma. So Tamak Shwas is Kas Vridya Bhavet Shwasa Am Atisara Vamathu Vish Pandu Jware Api Rajo Dhum Anile Marma Ghatadi Him Ambunam. According to Ashtang Hridaya, Shwas arises by increase of cough and aggravation of doshas, also by diarrhea due to indigestion, vomiting, poisoning, anemia, fever, and exposure to dust, smoke, injury to vital organ, and drinking of very cold water. That's all our leads to Shwas Roga. So Tomak Shwas is the one of the type of 5 Shwas. So Tomak Shwas is very important, and its chikitsa is that Abhyang Swedan Vatanunuman Satyadi Shatyadi Churn Shati Jivanti Musta Pushkar Mul Tamal ki L etc. is the ingredients. Bharangi Shunthi Churn and Madhu, Dashmul Kwat and Palchaturbat Churan. So now modern bronchial asthma. Definition is that asthma is a chronic lung disease with airway obstruction and airway inflammation and airway hyperactivity of various stimuli. So etiology is family history of asthma and atopic disease, bronchiolitis during infancy, sensitization of allergen during childhood, and passive smoking. So pathophysiology is trigger factor, that is immunological allergens and non-immunological viral infection causes bronchospasm and inflammation. Then bronchial spasm causes muscle spasm, and inflammation causes edema, excessive mucus production. So airway obstruction, ventilations, perfusion abnormally, and hypoxemia and hyperventilation. That all leads clinical feature like in early phases, in severe condition. So in early phases is cough is non-productive, the patient become dyspanic with prolonged aspiration and wheezing. The child may develop cyanosis and look fatigue. Or in severe conditions, the chest is hyperresonatic because of air tapping. So the investigation is PFT, pulmonary function test, absolute eosinophil count, chest X-ray, and allergen IgE test. Now, quick management, quick reliever, bronchodilator, salbutamol, and preventers is steroids. Now is Utfullika. Utfullika is very important. आद्यमानात फुल्ल कुक्षिष्ट श्वास दोष आदि पीड़िता उत्फुल्लिकाच्या विज्ञेय बालानाम दुःखकारिणी is उत्फुल्लिका. So clinical feature is difficulty in breathing, distension of abdomen. So उत्फुल्लिका dosha दातव्यम शीर दोष निवारणम. So the management and treatment depends on स्तन्य दुष्टि जन्य विकार. Shwashnag Jwar, pneumonia. Pneumonia is very important. So definition of pneumonia is inflammatory process involving lung parenchyma. Bronchopneumonia, spreading inflammation of terminal bronchial and their related alveoli. And lobar, pathological state of lung where the alveoli air has been replaced by cellular exudate or transudate. Etiology is Salmonella pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenza, and Staphylococcus. So clinical feature is that a respiratory rate more than 60, 2 months of age children. Respiratory rate is less than 50, 2 months to 12 months, less than 40 between 1 to 5 years. For diagnosis of pneumonia, presence of rapid respiration is sufficient. Chest and drawing, cyanosis, and difficulty in feeding and fever. So CBC and WBC is less than 15,000 cells per annum. So the management is, if the child is not sick, suggestive a viral etiology with cold antibiotics, give only supportive care, specifically antibiotic therapy and antipyretic, hydration and nutrition. Next is pharyngitis. Pharyngitis, same as name, inflammation of pharynx. Viral pharyngitis etiology is adenovirus, enterovirus, coccic virus, parainfluenza virus. Clinical feature is as same as erythema, tender cervical adenopathy, frequently associated with respiratory symptom, and treatment is supportive and self-limiting process. Now, acute bacterial pharyngotonsillitis etiology, the common pathogen including diphtheria and mycoplasma. And clinical feature is that erythema with characteristic whitish exudate, tonsillar hypertrophy. Diagnosis is made by throat culture. Treatment, give first generation cephalosporin. So cephalosporin is very important. Now tonsillitis. Tonsillitis in Ayurveda, talukantak. Talukantak is talu masam kafam kruddam kurute talukantakam ten talu pradeshasya nimnata murdhani jayante. Kav dosha getting aggravated in the muscle of the talu and produce the disease talukantak. In this condition, this is depressed in the skull at the region of talu pradesh. So the symptom is depression of talu, refusal to feed, difficulty in sucking, elimination of white watery faces, thirst, irritation in the mouth, painful eyes, inability to hold neck straightly, and vomiting. So the chikitsa is that Talu Pradesh Pratisaran, Yavshar Shodra, Kantha Shunti, Go Shakratrase Sandve Pratisaran, Shrang Ver Nisha Kushtlepa, and Harit Ki Vacha Kusht Madhu ke, along with Madhu. Now tonsillitis, according to model etiology, virus or bacterial. So virus is adenovirus, rhinovirus, and Epstein-Barr virus, and bacteria is Streptococcus. Now, clinical feature is acute by dry throat, fever and chills, dysphagia, headache, and referral otalgia. Chronic is halitosis, chronic sore throat, foreign body sensation, and management is same as pharyngitis. So that's all about Pranvas-Rotas diseases. Hope you understand the all diseases. In a brief description, if examination asks the question, what is the Pranvas-Rotas, and describe its diseases name, so you can write all above and small description. So that's all about. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in next session. So that's all for now. Thank you. Thank you so much.